Penn Zero, Part-TimeHero is an American animated series produced by Disney Television Animation for Disney XD. The series debuted on December 5, 2014, as a preview, followed by the official premiere on February 13, 2015. The series was ordered on October 16, 2013, for a scheduled fall 2014 premiere. The series' co-creator, Jared Bush, also co-wrote and co-directed Walt Disney Animation Studios' 2016 film Zootopia. On April 22, 2015, it was announced that the series had been renewed for a second season. On July 19, 2016, it was announced that the show would be ending after 2 seasons. The hour-long series finale, At the End of the Worlds, aired on July 28, 2017.